I'm back.
Try mo na ba? Nagana sa'yo?
Okay lang. Wala. Naku, menu pa lang, lagers na. Ayun ako.
Hindi, lagyan na niya. Sira-sira yung settings.
Sige, display name. Counting more DXs.
Tutorial. Pag na-access mo yung server.
Lokeb, Tinno. Have you met Saya? Lives on the outskirts of Cetus. See? Here's the three of us. Me, Uncle, and Headstrong.
Headstrong Saya.
The two of them even got married. They were happy till
Music.
he disappeared.
0.
That was 5 years
Ano mo
ago.
dapat sino i-layoff?
Saya
The music
never
team.
moved on. Never
Hindi
accepted
ka
it.
nakarakter.
Now I'm hearing
Oh, ano yan?
whispers. The Granier found some trace of Uncle. And just like old times, Sai is about to do something rash.
Skip.
Talk to her, eh?
I thought choose your warframe.
Ayo, we have not spoken
Grabe,
in
lagers.
a long time.
Sino bang ganda?
Nasa PM ka na ba?
Choose your warframe.
Ay, skip mo yung cutscene.
Oo.
Diyan, sorry.
Chat.
Volt
No
down
time to talk. There's word of my husband. I have to
I'll
go.
choose Mag, I guess.
Word travels fast. Konzu and I haven't
Oh
spoken
my
in
god,
5
please let me get
years.
to the settings sa sabog
Not
PC ko,
since
please.
Involvement
Yeah.
in my husband's disappearance.
Options.
And now he sends you by the honor.
Ano ba yan?
I'll accept help if you bring Onko back to me.
Gore
But with the
enabled.
trick.
No gore.
And I'll take care of business myself. Understood? Doga. Dadup Tenno. I'll signal you when you're out on the plains. As crazy as this sounds, you're looking for glass.
Naku, lagers pa rin.
If you
La-
see my husband, Onko,
It's not bad, I guess. Parang Elden Ring nung sa dating PC ko. Tolerable naman. Medyo may stutter lang. Plus 1. Ano bang mas low pa dito? Kailangan ko na mas low pa. Yan. What's the front of the settings? Vertical sync off. Auto.
All right, Tenno. Be careful out here. Grenier numbers increase the further you venture from Cetus. Patching the Ostrons to your signal.
Ako low FOB pa ako. Low lag na agad. Ayos na.
My uncle is alive.
Yes! May FSR! Thank the Lord Heavens
no
mo ba?
one cared more for Cetus,
Yung
for our
ano,
people.
pamparagdag
He
FPS.
worked with the Quills.
Kaso hindi rin tumutulong.
The Bottom's
Tangina.
closest servants to decipher the secrets of the sentient and the glass
Performance.
warrior who sacrificed herself to destroy it. If you search the camp, I know we'll find some sign of Onko.
FSR lang. Ultra performance. Ayun, kasong labo. Kasi ikaw lang yun. Walang ta. Ito pwede. Find a melee weapon in the marked cache. Actually, hindi siya parang hindi pa siyang the finals. Labo eh. Excuse me, the weapon.
This is it.
Kana.
This is where the Grenier
Kana
found some of
bo.
Uncle's
Ayun lang.
work. Has he been hiding?
Ano mo na dito? Shatter armor with heavy blows. Size 20. Size 20. Miss. Hold E. Immediate.
And the greasy eels of Cetus, working together. My tusk soldiers will gore you all the same.
Heck, I should have known we'd be behind the Grenier incursions here. Who else would feed outmatched troops to an Eidolon if it might further their career?
And I'd feed it a million more.
Noble jump. Tap space and space again.
My metal claws around your sweet, putrid neck.
Scanning the area.
Wow, ganda na side
I'm
jump ah.
getting strange readings from the cave at my waypoint. Smash that drill and go inside.
Ah, I remember that cave. Onko and I used to shelter there. Rock slide sealed it off years ago. I hope it's not.
Uncle? Uncle! He should be here.
2 seconds there. For Ghost styles with this rapid fire semi-automatic throwing knives or barrel.
Is that
Uh,
coffer his? It bears Uncle's mark.
Drawing ko na
It must be important. If it's here,
I picked the
and
gun.
he's not. Oh, please, Uncle.
No. Di worth yung ano. Ang ko na eh.
Saya.
Tapos na kills.
Unknown.
the katana all the
I
time.
won't say a thing to him, Tenno. I'm guessing he didn't tell you. He was with
11.
my uncle the day he
Mali.
disappeared.
Team.
This coffer is strange. I don't understand the locking mechanism. Tenno, return to your orbiter so we can get it open.
Like tarub, tarub, tarub.
Gawin, ganda rin po ito. Dito spot eh.
Optimize flip model. Ah, ito na talaga. Wala nang kakalupan. Diyos ko. Hold to aim.
Let's activate your codex system to examine this Ostron container.
Kung na-frame.
Guild.
Yan, parang
The lock seems damaged. We'll have to force it open.
No, wait. Oh, Uncle was a genius, Lutz. He's protected whatever is inside with the shutter lock.
Fight your way out. Fuck no.
The key
I ain't trying to fight all that.
glass has been broken. Forcing it would only destroy everything inside. We need to rebuild the glass. If he was dying, he would have wanted this found. But he locked it. Uncle is alive.
A new strategy then, Tenno. Sending codex scanners to your inbox.
I'm getting
These will
50
be essential in locating
FPS.
the Shatterlock pieces out there on the plains.
Frame time 20 ms. Lala. You know how much frame time I had sa old PC ko?
Ilan?
0.5 bro. Sige. Boss side ba ito? Defend yourself.
To equip your codex scanner, go to the arsenal
Tenno
and use the
is
gear
mine.
interface to add the scanners to your gear wheel.
the health bar? How do I see my health? What's this? How do I pick it up? How do I pick this up? Amo lang pala.
Parang kung nag-mission tayo, hindi tayo sabay ng story. Pero kasama na yan, boss.
Ayun ko lang.
Like, pag napunta ka mo na yung mission na to, tapos na yung skip.
Why am I floating? Oh,
May magandang ano dito, frame. So, hindi mo frame na eh.
how am I gliding? Huh? Paano yun? How do I glide?
Sire,
Ah.
Diyan, tapos right.
chronometer.
Yun. Nag-glide pag nag-right
Let
click.
me help. I was there. I might be able to.
Wait lang maybe dito eh.
Oh, you were there.
Kaya nga eh.
Konzu. You both went out on the plains that day. But only you returned.
Paano yung baril mo?
You expect me to believe this had nothing to do with what happened in our early summers?
Paano i-dis mo? Hindi ka
Then
nag-i-dis?
I rejected your iron flower. Your proposal.
Iron flower. I can't.
Oo, ano to? Hindi ko na palitan to.
No, I had
Wala palitan ko sa
nothing
B.
to do
Para
with
parang
this.
Apex.
I miss him too,
D.
sire.
Ayun. Ano? Kaya mo tama paano si trip na.
Equip your codex scanner and search the area for the
Okay,
glass
every the
shards.
pistol is the gun. Hindi ko makita yung kalaban pag malayuan. Ang labo. Defend the ship. 30 seconds. Where's the ship's health bar? Buti nung may laser yung malayo ang kalaban. Hindi ko talaga makikita.
Should be
Grabe.
more in this area.
Kulog.
And so it goes. I'm sorry, little friend.
You found another shard. Keep looking.
That's it.
Sometimes we fail,
Yep.
despite our best efforts.
That's it. There's no more shards here.
Spread out! Crawl if you have to! I need more glass! It is the key to a power I've never seen!
Dyan o. You're lucky day.
Power to kill! A sentient!
I've lost ship now.
Grenier air support incoming.
Look what we have here! More fertilizer for our Grenier gardens! Your worm-bloated corpse will blend nicely with the excrement on my crops!
I can't extract you until you've dealt with those reinforcements. have everything we came for. Get to extraction.
To Mars. Oh, we got the whole solar system in here, okay.
How to grind frames.
Comes to general, we head over
Creating a website can
comes to general crafting of weapons and frames. You obtain blueprints with credits or via farming the actual blueprints through a specific mission in game. And then you get the respective resources. All resources have specific locations that you farm them. Again, I will mention this. Use the wiki for this. Please. This is where the wiki is your best friend in Warframe, especially for these short questions for quick answers kind of thing. Instead, you can just head over to the Foundry, and if you hover over the resource that you are looking for, it will tell you there. Here's the locations, there's the planets that you can farm them. And I know I just said use the wiki, but genuinely for general questions like this, the wiki is really good. Or what you can do is head over to the Q&A section and say, where is the best place to farm ferrite, for example, or whatever, anything like that. One that has done all of their researches. Now, what does max research mean? Clans in Warframe have dojos, which is like your hub for your clan, and they give you Warframes as well in the Tenno lab. But when you make a
Pwede. Sumali lang yan.
Kinik ng leader.
What was Vahek talking about back there? What power is he after?
Anko. He found the remains of the Unum's champion, a woman of glass. He studied her, obsessed about her ancient secrets. The Quitters of Cetus swore us to secrecy, and the secret held until the Granier captured one. Can't imagine what they did to get one of them to talk. But Vahek's been after that relic ever
Oh, my
since.
stealth. You can stealth in this game, okay?
This way, heck. Could he have taken on
That you can do
business
missions
too?
stealthily.
Do you think he'd make a
Imbis
trade?
na just
This
guns out all
for my
blazing.
uncle? No. That would go against everything
Oh, this-
Uncle believed in. The sanctity of our people's home, of Cetus. Tenno, you'll need to find the remaining shards.
I've tracked some off-world shipments to a galleon in orbit. Heck may be guarding any key shards he's found up there.
I see you. I already ever pick stuff in this game. Just fucking speed on it. Ganun. Yeah. Sabi mo ba?
Na,
Paano yun mo ba?
sa clan, sumali ka ng clan para sa may dojo syempre. Nandun sa store. How to farm Gauss Prime. naman ni Shara, halata. Shit, nag-crash, what the fuck?
Hey everyone, Pupsker here, and today in Warframe, we're going to quickly go over how you can farm Gauss Prime and Gauss's weapon, the Icarius, and Exceltra Prime. That's right, Gauss has two weapons still, normal stuff, Exceltra and Icarius Prime. So you can always check if you go on over to the Codex, over to Relics and Arcanes, and search up Gauss Prime. Gauss is Lith G9, Meso H5, Neo W1, and Axie B7. So this is for Gauss Prime himself. Everyone say hi to YouTube. Lith G9 will be the Gauss Prime Systems Blueprint. It's a rare drop, but it's a Lith relic, so beautiful. As always, buy as many relic packs as you can. Hey everyone, Pupsker. Fast Warframe with his fourth ability just increasing his rate of, fire, attack speed, reload speed, holster area, an insane amount. And this is what I would say his bread and butter is for most players. He's a really fun speed frame, kind of like Volt, but different, and still amazing. Came out about 2 years ago, I believe, at this point. In the market, you will just have to pick up his blueprint for 30,000 credits. And as you can see, you'll just need to get the Neuroptics, chassis, and the systems. So the nice thing about Gauss is all of his Sedna Kappa parts simply drop on Sedna Kappa. Sedna Kappa is this disruption node right here, and it actually drops the Neuroptics, chassis, and systems at an equal drop rate. All of the background footage you see here will be just running Kappa. I think on release, the drop area of where Gauss was actually different, but nowadays I have to remake it because, yeah, you actually just straight up farm all of his parts on Kappa Sedna. So the thing about farming Gauss from the disruption is all three of his parts come from the C rate rotation drop.
Hirap pala i-farm ni Gauss, holy shit. Punta dito, ang baka.
Something's wrong. My scans are being blocked. I can't detect any shards.
What does that mean? This galleon is huge. Think.
Anko would have known what to do.
Why are these motherfuckers in world chat saying
Each fragment responds to a unique
Aura
power.
forma will turn
I
into
discovered
Onya
that
forma.
during my initial
Removable
Vercon
forma
synthesis
when.
transceiver system.
What are
It's
these
too bad we
words,
can't
bro?
walk a wide band harmonic through the ship.
Says we
Arcade.
can't.
What?
I'll perform a broad frequency sweep.
This is new division, bro. Market. Credits are new.
Sire, that worked! Onko
Ito.
wasn't the only one with a sharp
Wukong.
mind. We are elevated by your work and his. Your marriage was a boon to Cetus.
It wasn't
Okiru-
always easy.
Okuri Tales.
Cetus came first.
That's 2 weapon
Always.
inventory
Things were
slots.
missed. Special days, anniversaries. But it was a duty and a privilege.
Starter weapon pack 159. Kulang ako ano. 17 pesos. That's my only view. Is this worth? It's worth, no? $200 minimum pwede mong i-access ni Molly. Tangina, fuck you. Fuck you. Tingnan mo lang. 17 pesos kulang ko. Gusto i-add 200. Tangina.
Surprise! Surprise! A gleaming maggot squirmed into my ship. Well, let's see you slip out of this one. What? You pathetic meat piles! Can't you stop one puny maggot from squirming away? Ah!
Tenno, we've recovered all of the shards Mayhek discovered. Get to extraction.
I see you. I ain't trying to kill all those enemies, bro. Fuck no. Use some alarms. No, escort fucking bullshit. Oh, tangina. I hate escort missions. Escort Darbo. Where do we go? Unlock mo Darbo. It's alright.
Mission complete. Excellent work, Tenno.
Nakin ang inaambagal, oh. Hurry up!
There's only one piece left. Hex digging in the central plains. I recall Uncle finding a few interesting
Nabibili mo na ba yung
artifacts
buong?
in the region of...
That crater lake where we used to fish. That place where Uncle's catch got eaten on the line by a...
Oh, that massive hookta. And we had to haul him out. We spent the whole day drying his notebooks.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
That was a good day. I think I know where we should look. Doha, Doha. While it is dark, the Grenier won't be there.
It's alright, God. Wait, can I kill this kid? Hold on now. I will watch.
Once you join the
Labo ng daro ko, grabe. Ano yun? So, what the fuck? Ano yun, parkour?
fast travel to Tenno lang.
Oh. Ang grind? Na siya. Research na. 15, 15, 45 pero 35 lang pag ano na. In another clan's dojo? Kailangan sa ilo mong clan? Kasali ka na ba dyan? So ano na yan? Ano? What's the key?
Good morning or evening, YouTube. We're middle of damn nowhere. It's been a ton of fun. I bought like 3 of these stalker noggles. Go over how to build. Good morning. Old, I was woman. Probably my personal favorite, and I don't even like just blatant hate or just. And to be honest, I think it's about the only thing they got because it's the only damn thing people talk about. And since we're on the subject, and I'm to somebody about joining a clan, what they should do is invite you to the clan. And also in your equipment inventory, and this middle logo right here that looks like a clan key, which you probably do or do not know that. Until now, where you see the clan key right here, this is the blueprint, accepted or not. Now, if you decline, or if it and you're ready to build that clan key, you want to go down to your foundry, click on the key logo right. Obviously, I'm already in a clan, so I can't build another clan key, but this is where yours will show up. And it'll show you the resources that you need, and those resources are 1 Morphix, which you can find.
I'll never know what happened to him. I don't even want to open that box now. It won't change a thing.
I wouldn't blame you if you done that.
No. I need to know.
Evacuation flights have been rescinded. You'll stay out here all night, if that's what it takes. Find that piece before an Eidolon finds you!
Shut the fuck up. Bisa mahulog kami.
Great sentient destroyed here. At night, its spirit
man.
rises once. A mindless beast trying to rebuild itself. Watch out. You see one? Don't fight. You can only run.
Tenno, take cover. Your warframe is no match for that thing.
Sure. Oh shit. Totoo nga. Zero damage, gago.
Kill it! The beast is drawn to the Grenier. Can you get to the excavation site? It has to be ended.
Scan it.
You have it! Uncle's final piece to the shutter lock.
There's another way out of that cave, away from the terrorist.
Tenno, I'm having Ordis pull you out. Get to the extraction point.
You think it would be that easy? Tusks! My tusks! New orders! Ignore the monster! Stop that Tenno maggot!
Tenno maggot.
Get your phone.
Konzo, you should know. You were the best friend he ever had. I'm ready. Open the box.
Sire, you kept...
You need friends? Ew.
Oh, Uncle. You always told me I
hate
should try
games that rely
following
on
my heart
fucking clans
instead
and
of
shit.
my head. Shola, I
Yeah,
guess it's time I did.
Kahit na pero yun, kailangan pa sumayo ng dojo para ano nung iba. Ayop na yun.
Operator, communications await your attention. Please check your inbox at your earliest convenience.
A second frequency sweep on Onko's glass revealed blueprints for Gara, the legendary glass warrior who sacrificed herself to protect Cetus. Onko was wise to ensure this information reached us. The Ostrons are grateful, and so am I. Once again, the path ahead is yours to determine. My supplementary message should make that path more clear.
Ascaris Negator. Gara Blueprint. Clan Key. Para saan yan? Ito yung mga games na kailangan ano eh. Lahat ng time mo nakabuhos eh, hype eh. Ang frame. Yung ano, orange shit. Inventory di ba? Kung basta inventory mo, hindi ba? Hindi ba yung Gara Blueprint? What's that? Nakakas ass bro. Kailangan pa yung mga ibang Gara shit. Hmm? Okay, okay. Ano?
Ordis has received messages for the operator. No, I have not read them.
Greetings from Fortuna.
That's all from me.
As ready as you will ever be. Operator, I've run diagnostic regressions. All systems nominal. You don't need to thank me.
Of your consciousness. From back brain to forebrain, a sound to a vision, pulling up and knocking over. Hello, dreamers. Let's get to know one another.
What the hell happened?
Paano kaya i-visualize yung data sa SQL?
Visualize data?
Kasi parang code lang yun eh. SQL eh. Gusto ko SQL dashboard. Paano kaya to?
Hey programmer, about HTML table. This table data will occur during this connection, then with ID, username, password, and reference type on table, use and child on tier.
In this video I will show you how to. Now I need to so Alt 8 and label. So is established correctly. Now let's check if the connection is established correctly of Now let's save this file and let's refresh this page. And we obtain this table. An SQL query that allows me to create a new table called employees, and this query allows us to populate this table. Now let's click on. I'll show you how to display the data of this table into an HTML table. PHP. A new add the head will create only one row into this table. Now let's save this file and let's run it. And we obtain this table. So we can search link. And here let's slide. So let's copy it. So in the table a margin and let's test it again. We obtain this appearance.
All these frameworks. How many frameworks are you? PHP.
And we obtain this appearance.
Yeah.
Now let's fill this table from the database. So in the body, let's start a PHP tag. Then let's establish the
Pesos.
on this machine using, so I will connect to the server that is installed on this machine using the root user, and I don't have any password. The database to publish it correctly or not. To stop all the data.
Hello programmer, today in this tutorial, now to get username to email. So option in value and now next has been new admin, select a database or create a new database. Click on go button, auto increment. Length, either then gender. Now see a input type, a character is based, is variable character type. Click on this database, let us create and data equal to, now start through this user and in you can go able data, then insert variable, username, password, gender, yeah, string, then close with a same email address. Here we got someone already registered using this email, and if you go to the database, no other record has been registered using this email with a same email address. Here we got someone already registered using this, and record has been inserted in a database. Data type is variable character with length is type in database.
In the
Web base. Yeah.
What's
Use the
display
endless frameworks. Holy shit.
data in MySQL, and the client can also edit it.
Yep, that's it. React, Node, MySQL, data tables, JS.
Best for business users. Good.
What's the most secure one though?
What's the most secure one?
Enterprise use sensitive, full control over security.
Daming frameworks, oh my god.
Katapos na putang ina.
Ito self-hosted. Iris local based. Separate baba. Open source. SQL base. Built-in UI. Try nga natin tong mga ano na to. Supa base. Supa base. Saan yan? Site ba yan?
Super League!
Start your project.
Ano yan?
Wala pa ako eh.
Ano yan?
Itong Supa base. Like Firebase, but with SQL and built-in UI.
Oh, it's
Or ito.
Firebase, bro.
Ano
Retool.
Firebase?
Oh, drag and drop UI for database editing. And,
Retool. Huh. Ito ba?
I guess.
No.
Oh, Stack Overflow. No, bayad yan. Pag ganun sinasabi, umating may bayad yan eh.
The Smurf account.
May akong taga-using ano, yung main email ko. Ito yung main email ko, no pa rin eh. Paking butchocoilo.24 ang putang ina. Dapat malipat ko na lang sa ano ko yung Gabriel C eh.
Ano na? Ayun. Giro. Yup.
Adamson, bro.
Adamson.
Kupal.
Domain na ba to?
Subdomain na pala yun. Hindi ano. ADU Badak. O yan, Molino Badak.
Ano dito? Not a beginner, didn't know proficient.
I can accept them together, I guess. Oh, true, yeah.
Baka dito ang mas maganda dito.
Pwede rin. DoorDash, Snowflake, OpenAI.
Face.
Wait, what do we call it?
Back. Beginner knows himself. Molino 3 retool. .retool.com.
What's that? Ano yan?
My god, okay.
Welcome to Retool. Let's build our first app. Oh, little na holding your hand there, Epe.
I thought the series were there, but let's change that. Little database. Ito may database na siya.
Ayaw ko sana ng sito na kulay green. Ayaw sa naman yung sanang kulay dilaw. Kung natikman ko yung kulay green, ako nang ulitin. Nagpa-fuck up naman si Mu eh, ano? Every 3 seconds of pixel oh.
Not receiving enough video eh.
Ganun. Diba? Naging pixel yung bullshit. Ayaw sa naman yung sanang kulay dilaw. Nung natikman ko yung kulay green, ako nang ulitin.
Select from tapos yun, ang gagawin ko. Select from tool orders. So gagawin ko. Select from table.
Okay.
Tool orders. Ba't ayaw? Ayan.
What? RX 9000 series na pala. 789 RX. So,
Saan sabi na ito? Huh? I don't get it. Ang gagawin ko. Select all data. Select
from the tour.
tour orders table. Ba't wala na itong table? Select from tour orders.
Syntax error at near or torn table.
Let's run and try again. Necessary give it another go. Give me a hint. Ang upal kayo boss ha. Meron? Nah, fuck this. Ayaw ko na sana sito na kulay green.
I love my favorite Emily paper. Bronny James, the GOAT, brother. First 3 points after 6 months. Putang inang lala. Genuinely get this guy out of the team. Tangina. Alam ko umiyak na yung coach ng Lakers ngayon hype eh. He's fucking fumbling to make that motherfucker rip eh, grabe. Keep my son out of this shit, bro.
Database password.
Keep your son out of this shit indeed, bro. Get him out the league. Tangina yan. Supa niga.
Ano ba kasi to? Wait, that's skill to... Tama naman ginagawa ko ah. Wait nga. Hola. Welcome to Retool.
Niger.
Table. Ay, yung ginagawa ko kanina pa. Select. Baka mali yung syntax ko. Tama ba to? Select from... The fuck? New table?
Nakay ko mga cream, huwag na natin patuloy ng ibang course because for professions, minsan na tayo naging doktor, lawyer, prosecutor, judge, forensic scientist, chemist, psychiatrist, jack of all trades course. Sure, bro, sure. Mostly kilala ko si Q. Bago mag-send ako sa Reddit na yun. Ano ba to?
Ay puti, kailangan ng space.
Ayun na din.
Let's connect the table to this data. How? Ooh.
Look, the table updated with your data.
Search bar. It's value property. Huh? Didn't tell the search bar. Oh shit, good shit to ah. Stephanie. Whoa. Ayan, mag-a-update. Paano yan?
Data source, order table. No, link to the table selected row.
Closer look and realize, bad.
May source code ba to? May source code ba to? Ang tanong. Okay. Ito yung database, oh. Ito yung SQL niya.
I wanna fly. You're gonna try. Wanna be at your right. Drinking down. Now you see her. Let's just make it to the morning, girl. JSON. .json. I believe it's for JavaScript. No.
Sko. Ito lahat may bayad, ah.
Okay.
Jira is now for all teams, especially dev teams trying to finish.
We're going to build this admin panel on top of Postgres, but in Retool, it's really just as easy to do with any data source: Mongo, GraphQL, Firebase, pretty much anything that can hold data. And here's the app we're going to build. It's a fully functional CRUD admin panel. We're reading users from a users table in our database. We can edit these users in the table by clicking so fancy table. And the reason for that is that all components in Retool are referenceable in JavaScript, and so as such, we want to make sure that we follow best practices for variable naming. So let's get some of our own data into this table. And to do that, I'm going to click New, and I'm going to click on Resource Query. A resource in Retool is any third-party data former onboarding DB, which is a human. We'll call it Retool demo user by their ID.
Ito SQL na gamit nyo.
Users. And clicking Save and Run will populate that data into the app's data model. So let's call this query something. Mission critical tools. Always look with Retool. Ranging from simple. If you can build it in React, you can build it in Retool a lot easier.
Retool of your workflow processor, you have the will open the right panel, providing you within your app screen. Access and interact with. Again, if you found this video helpful,
Paano siya i-import?
You want to issue, really want to see item about and database, and happy some box at retool.com. You can sign up for a free app. The table on the right gets updated based on those records. Alright, that's a wrap for this app. Hope you found this helpful. You can learn more about Retool at retool.com. You can set up the name and then we can delete all of the. So now let's go, and that should be.
Min Hee-jin, like the word of plagiarism. No shit. Why does anyone believe this witch? Fucking Eugene and their friends, ano eh, grabing pussy leaking sa bitch na to.
Server maintenance. So, paano i-deploy ito? Option 1, sa cloud. Little app, public link, send link to users, and set
Deploy on your own self, ayan.
so ito na mismo yung gagamitin. Pag share mo. Wait. Ito ba? Mas may share dito.
Oh, ayun yung mismo yan?
Hindi, try natin. Share and as in share.
Spin the share button. Finish tour.
It's the share button. Finish tour.
Mukha yan, isa parang dalawang taong icon na yan.
How can I share it? Top right corner. Sure. Bakit na ako mismo gumawa?
Ano mo na, finish tour mo na, guided tour pa yun eh.
Finish tour na eh.
Hindi, ano mo, ayan, type mo. Copy sad.
Yes.
Ayan. Ayan! Taas, top right.
Kaso di niya
Boom, nawala lahat.
Di niya binigay yung gawa niya eh.
Hindi, may ground na lang. Ayun, disconnect di. Oh, wala.
May reset, may bayad.
Upgrade to create public links. Viewer lang. Para pag editor.
What the fuck? Akin din. Check ko nga akin ito.
Pat fit. Ano ba yung basketball dyan? Basketball ang sports ng boyfriend ko. Kahit napapikit, walang sabit. I-shoot mo, shoot mo, i-shoot mo ng ball.
How to use React JS. Oh my god. Fuck you, Demi. Probably black to.
Never show this ad ever again.
Bitches.
173. This might be different on your machine, so don't worry about that. Just open this next. So this is our
How
project.
can anyone sit down and take information for 1 hour?
That is
I
the
could never do
container
that
for
shit.
our application. Below that,
I'll
we
give
have
you 10
this
seconds
element
max.
referencing source/main.ts that are only used for compiler. How to compile our
It allows you to write HTML-like code within your JavaScript files. React also utilizes goes if we use enough of them and in the correct places. React uses a syntax extension of JavaScript known as JSX, meaning JavaScript XML. JSX allows you to write HTML-like code within your JavaScript files. React also utilizes a virtual DOM. It's a lightweight version of the real DOM of a web page. We can DOM its features such as arrow function. Move on to the installation instructions next. We're going to download app. And that's the bus. We'll change the directory to our React app. npm install pm address. Let's copy it. Then open up a web browser server. Hey, this is Future Bro. I was editing this video and I'm up a terminal. Going to change my directory app server. It's like it's work structure. So yes, I forgot to mention that. That is all. I'm quickly going to cover the project structure of our React app. External libraries, utility, anytime libraries, routing libraries, just to name a few. We won't be spending any time directly in this folder, but you should still be aware what it's for. It just contains external libraries and packages that our project is right here. This folder can contain public fonts, available. Logo was folder is very say is main, and then other things you should know about is this package JSON file. JSON files are we will create one. Within the return statement, you can write pure HTML, only capable of returning a single element, but you can place children elements within. Within our header element, I will create an h1 element with text of my website.
All in one.
Just to be
sure everything is working, let's say import the header component. Name of the .jsx. We will also semicolon. So to pair of two. It's a shorthand way. I'll show elements with the fragment. And now my
That's all I have.
If you're looking for a cool SQL project to add, this will in turn make the data by delivery method. Here in the orders table, we've got row ID, order ID, created at, item ID, use so you can follow along, and it has all of the function items. Now our first data source into you like. Okay, that's the housekeeping out of the way. Now let's connect to our database and build our first dashboard and select data source. Here. In order to connect to the database, we're going to need 4 pieces of information. First, the instance connection name that I can find in the Google Cloud backoffice. Then the name word that Studio will communicate with the database in the previous video. This is what we're... Again, if you'd like to get your hands on this and all of the other, can paste here and hit schema. It contains. What we need to do now, created at is assigned a geo that. Geo postcode. Item has been assigned date, not sure why. So let's make this text because it's qualitative data create and we'll first see that they're looking at the client or item order by delivery with or count D rows in the by default will that Data Studio added and then add a scorecard. The data set. Record count, which is the count of the ID. You can see here it says CTD, which stands for we're looking for. We have a total of 58 orders. We're going to want to change the name of the KPI that's displayed by clicking on the pencil icon. Total orders. Great, we now have our first visualization. There's yield, price, save and finished. I'll now add another scorecard and use our new calculated we want by address in a map equal to or less.
Onion.
less than values of the date or time level used
Pang
must
dito lang.
appear using our BI tool. If you use a different BI tool and you'd like to reproduce this project, you can get your hands. We want to connect to. Address 1 has been assigned as text. They're not really close together to begin with. Move on tab. It's easier to unlock necessary to distance of the just going to dashboards. To get your hand, you'd like to we've finished building and designing our 3 dashboards. If you'd like to rebuild this project anywhere you like, just hit the link in the description to get your hands on all of the project files. I really hope you enjoyed watching this project as much as I enjoyed making it. If you got any ideas for other projects, let me know in the comments. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you soon.
Do is instead of just creating a menu item, we want to add a new dashboard on the bottom, which is the pages. You would have noticed that we have whatever you want. If you like the video, make sure to subscribe for our future videos. Until then, see you everyone, and thank you.
Windows form lang to.
Wait, this game is literally Warzone free. Oh.
PHP talaga mga gamit, oh.
Nahihirapan sa page responsiveness, baka pwede ko kayo matulungan kasi
Ito, CodePen.io, open source. CodePen dashboard.
Interactive data dashboard. And responsive React dashboard.
Saan? Ito?
Kanina. Go back. Ayun, sa baba. Chart.js.
0 hearts, 0 replies, 0 comments. Ito yung HTML niya? What the hell? Boom, nawala. Ito. Ito CSS. Ito yung ano? Ito. Di ba ito yung ano? SQL.
Nandito na. Sa ibang pamilya. Oh. Solid North! Ang ina mo! He's from North London. He's from North London, fam. Kung TV, solid na rin ang kuko na yun, no?
Yeah, solid talaga. I created a dashboard in 1 minute using Python for...
Last week kami bilyar, ngayon solid na, putang ina. Highest bidder wins! My name's Floreine Garcia. I'm from London.
For BBM.
Analytics dashboard gets too
Ang huling gamay. Di ba kung bulol, oh, ang bigat lang talaga
I'm going to show you how I made this dashboard. We need a header called developer. I will guide you to develop a bottom layer. There is a side navigation bar. Smart, make it red. Make the body and navigation use plant. If you want, let's Chrome and provide a section. The main
management na talaga walang kwenta.
Make
Kasi management niya, sila rin naglagay sa ano eh, no? Yung sa reporting niya, yung sa news reporting niya. Okay, talaga yung management niya. Talaga, kung gusto mong management ka, solo na siya. Doon ko na lang kayo OGTS. Star Magic siya, no?
Yeah, basta yung Star Magic.
Page. We should add it to the grid. This may sound quite confusing for context. Box sidebar open as is side. Change and you can this one.
Hey, reset. Magandang ano ng ano? SQL?
Magandang...
SQL ba? Magandang ano, pag kunyari VS Code, VS, ganun.
Ano? IDE?
Oo.
VS Code lang siguro.
Hindi ka pa best IDE for SQL. May SQL yung sikat eh.
Oh, that's an IDE itself?
Yeah.
Oh.
Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's your bro. Hope you're doing well. And in this video, I'm going to show you how we can start writing SQL using our workbench. I will click next. Look for my post. Allow. the MySQL server is
Putang ina,
running.
seryoso?
To run the
Ayop.
workbench, we can go to Finder.
Hindi mo dapat WG tinuturuan kayo. Putang inang yan.
So you'll name what I based my
Putang
seeds.
ina, 3 years lecture for SQL. Ayop pa. Nag-YouTube ko na lang sa akin. Gusto ko bayar ng tuition. Putang inang yan.
Row table, employee ID, date column is a the desk. Add a set of parentheses. I think I don't sense. There is a data.
God, I love seeing Eugene's ano. Get the fucking consequences of their stupidity. Putang ina.
But you will need to pay for the hardware it runs on, huh?
Hardware transons for the ano, for the PC.
So pwede siya gamitan pang ano?
Yeah, it's just free. Naka na mo bayaran.
Downloads. Saan dito? Ito installer.
I don't like Eugene's either, but the Twitter seems to be simply chasing likes. No, bro, shut the fuck up, Eugene's Glazer.
Mas maganda dito, boy.
Ano yan?
Tayo ba na ito?
Ano ba yan?
Ito 300 million downloads eh.
Wait, what? 30, x86, 32. x86, 32. 8.4. Pareho lang naman eh.
No, sa daming download na ito eh.
I know.
Ito.
Oracle web account. No thanks, just start my download.
Teka.
Reaction to me, right?
It's SQL time.
That's not crazy coming from Eugene's. I love Redditors realizing I'm fucking Eugene's delusion, bro. Absolute delusion.
Just wait while Windows configure SQL. Sure, I'm gonna wait.
Impulse abuse, no say hi, CEO, no say